Yep, it's open. Let's go to the left bay, Dad.
Left bay?
Yes, that's a second generation.
Okay.
Oh, it's a newer second generation PDQ Protouch Tandem.
Second gen.
I want to get the alternate $12.
Second gen, cool.
Dad wants to get the $12 alternate wash.
Is that what they have?
Second generation PDQ Protouch Tandem.
Not bad for an old.
In the left bay is a PDQ Tandem White Touch. I went since 2014. I have the video up there.
This washer over on the right hand side.
And here's the wash menu.
really?
Pause if you'd like to read. We'll get this top wash selection. Pause if you'd like to read.
And then go back.
Let's do an outside view. Yeah. Had to go back. Clean up. Press 000. I want to press the wash code 000 to go back. Need to press another 000. A lot of times, Dad.
I messed up.
The pay station. Look at the pay station. Just look at this. Oh, more. Press a number. And yes, the code is incorrect.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
Well,
dang
not
it.
again. What a glitched pay station.
2, 3, 4, 9, 8.
Oh, press a number.
There is no number.
Oh, press another number.
Well, how do you do this damn thing?
My language.
Yeah, just stick a card in it.
Okay. Let's watch this machine. Have to wait for the Washington gears there.
Ah, here we go.
We'll watch.
All
We'll
right.
wait for it. Wait for it there.
Okay.
The wash is busy. That's getting the $12 alternate wash. Yeah, the pay station kind of glitched. You're a little bit glitchy pay station. And I tried to the wash.
That's a little glitchy on the pay station.
Yeah, last time I tried to the bubble scum, which is closed already. Close to icy. It was closed to Circa and Hicktonville. It was closed. And now we're going to this car wash. It's finally back open. This is a newer PDQ. This is the on the white bay is older PDQ Tandem.
Protouch Tandem.
And
wheel scrubbers too. Nice.
Oh, the white bay is repairing it right now. The white bay is repairing it there.
Yeah. Cool.
And the white bay is working on it. I'm going to use the left bay.
Okay, that's fine.
It's repairs and maintenance.
Yeah, he's doing maintenance. See, that's why
I'm
they
going to use
close
the
in
other bay.
freezing weather because they don't want pipes to freeze.
Yep. We watch the maintenance fixing. This is a brand new. It's an extra dry pass Upcon Accent. This is a Sparko manager. But you didn't. This system installed.
I have no idea.
It's Circa 2011.
Maybe.
What month it is? I'm gonna ask the manager.
Sparkle, so
Dad wants to ask the manager what you'd installed.
He probably doesn't know. Sweetie.
Doesn't
I think
know.
He's worked here that long.
That was installed in Circa 2011. Oh wait, I meant 2021.
The internet.
It's the last year.
Okay.
See that little X?
Yeah.
Well,
okay.
oh,
there we
go.
There you go.
A second generation PDQ brush. I hope the ice doesn't freeze. I hope this ice won't freeze.
Well.
Forward is up arrow. Up arrow. Stop! We got an X on it. Now it's be busy.
We're good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright.
Put car in park.
I do.
This is a second generation PDQ brush. This machine. This was installed. Second gen PDQ Protouch Tandem. Now it's a bug cleaner. Now comes the fun bar soap on the top brush. Yeah, the left.
See a label.
I don't see the label. No, the Wyco does. The Wyco says label.
Yep. Protouch Tandems don't.
No.
Oh, okay.
It's installed in Circa 2011 and 21. I meant installed in Circa 2021.
Now I'm a little smarter because now I know
This machine was installed in Circa 2021.
Okay. Very cool.
Ooh. Saying like HEB Caldwell. This machine was installed in Circa 2011. This machine was installed in Circa 2021. Not 2011, 2021. This machine was installed in Circa 2021. Didn't get double pass on the front. Nope. And this used to be a Laserwash touchscreen. This used to be a Laserwash touchscreen there. Previous washes over here is a Laserwash touchscreen. That used to be there. Now they moved it on the left side. Yeah, this used to be a Laserwash touchscreen, but they moved it there. But they moved it on the left side of the manual base. Yeah, this used to be a Hanna Water Wizard 1.0. Used to be a Hanna Water Wizard touchscreen. Used to be there. Second generation PDQ. Yep, this used to be a Hanna Water Wizard, and this used to be a Laserwash touchscreen. And now it placed it with a newer PDQ. Second generation. Now it's the high pressure. Nope, against the wheel scrubber. Now it's the wheel scrubber.
Okay.
There you go, huh? It doesn't turn ice. There's an airlift door. The door needs to close it for.
Getting their wheels clean.
There's an airlift door. I need to close the airlift door so the door opens automatically when enter.
Airlift door?
Yes, it's airlift door.
Oh, really?
It used to be a Hanna Water Wizard touchscreen, and this used to be a Laserwash touchscreen. They did the Laserwash and stuff. Now it comes to side hyper. Brushes did a great job. And now it comes to hot wax, oval glow wax.
Yeah, man.
It comes to oval glow, but the white base does not.
Let's see what flavor we get.
What flavor?
I don't smell any scent.
No.
Unscented.
Ooh, what this called? I think it's raspberry.
You think it's raspberry?
Yeah. Kinda.
Might just be soap smell.
Smells like soap. And now comes the waxing. It's just the waxing. Now comes the wax. And now I'm going to upload my first new channel called I'm gonna come to our channel. And now comes the winds. Ooh, comes the winds. I got you the top wash for $12. See the wash menu, process I like to read. Yeah, I got you the wash menu. It used to have an old sparkle wash menu. They took it down.
Yeah, they did.
And this used to be a Laserwash touchscreen.
Okay.
And this used to be a calling Hanna Water Wizard touchscreen. We will put a previous washer. And they moved the Laserwash on the left side of the manual base.
Gotcha.
Yeah, they moved it.
Okay.
And now comes the flash dry. The brushes did a great job in this car. This brush is conditioned.
Pretty sparkly.
Very good brush condition. Excellent. This brush condition is very good. Yes, the brush condition is very good condition.
What are you gonna give it?
I don't know, not yet.
Score it.
No, no scoring yet.
No score yet. Gotta wait till it's completely done.
Yeah. We're filling the wash specifications.
Okay.
Yep, this used to be a calling Hanna Water Wizard touchscreen. And this used to be a Laserwash touchscreen. And they moved it on the left side. So PDQ. Uncle Jimmy's first time taking the car home. And this is a window on the left side too. And there's the sign there. There's drying off the car. Now gonna bonus dry after this wash. And a water leak. There's a water leak on the top of the gantry. Just drive it very slowly. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Driver's fixing to turn on after the go light. Yep, it goes. Have to drive very slowly, Dad.
Okay.
There's a bonus dry exit. Very slowly.
Final dry. Final dry.
Very slowly. So you get dry. Yay! And there's a touchscreen on the left side there.
Right.
Oh look, there's a touchscreen there.
Yeah, I see that.
Look at it.
I don't like that.
That was used to be there. They moved the touchscreen on the left side. No, truck will take a touchscreen.
Okay.
Mom's truck will take this
All
touchscreen.
good?
Oh, good.
We're all clean and sparkly?
Yeah, that's a
Alright.
rating scale.
What would you give it?
I think it give us a 10.
I like it.
It doesn't get.
Yeah.
It's
I give
fearless.
it a 10. I
Yep.
don't see anything wrong with it.
Thanks for watching.
I didn't look at the wheels to see how well it's scrubbed, but
Yeah. Yeah.
we can give it a 10.
Yeah. So thanks for watching.
All right, thanks for watching, guys.